Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold. I'm here live on a Facebook to actually introduce Jeff Sipes from Blue Water Credit to talk about changes that have been made to credit reporting due to pandemic. So, Jeff, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Sure. My name's Jeff Sipes. I own Blue Water Credit. We're a local, legal, ethical credit repair company. And yeah, some of the changes actually were passed when the CARES Act were passed back March 27th. The big change was that creditors now are making accommodations if you've been loss of job or loss of income due to the pandemic. So if you have a federal loan, they're required to make accommodation. Now, the secret with calling in is you actually have to physically speak with someone, and you want to talk with them, let them know that you're experiencing a hardship, and ask them what programs they have available. Sometimes you can get payments deferred. They might let you make a partial payment. They could let you go into some type of forbearance. And again, these programs are designed for anybody that's been financially put in a hard place during this pandemic. And you do physically have to call your creditor, each one of your creditors, and have them place this accommodation on your credit. And as long as you stick to those payment arrangements, then nothing late's going to show on your credit report, even if you are skipping payments.
Oh, awesome. That's good to know. Jeff, I wanted to also ask you, is there any way for our consumer to check what's in their credit report for free?
Absolutely. So the best website to check your credit is at annualcreditreport.com. Now, before the pandemic, you were only allowed to check that credit report once per year. Now, because of the pandemic, they're allowing you to pull your credit for free without impacting your credit scores once a week. And the website again,
wow.
Yeah, once a week you can check it. And the website is annualcreditreport.com. You can get all three credit bureaus there. Now, there's no scores with those reports, but you can check your credit report and see to make sure everything's accurate.
Okay, and the three credit reporting are like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Is that correct?
Those are the big three. Yep.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so and last but not the least, I wanted to ask then, how could actually Blue Water Credit could help some of our consumers?
Sure. So you guys can go to our website. You could download resources. We literally published a resource today that's got over 50 links on things that you can apply for, grants. It's for people struggling with credit or income challenges. So go to bluewatercredit.com. You can get the resource for free under our blog. Or if you want to have a free consultation to have us review your credit and give advice, you can call our office at 916-315-9190, or go to our website, which is bluewatercredit.com.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Jeff. As you know, Jeff Sipes from Blue Water Credit, I've helped some of my clients or some of the Velasco team clients to prepare them from home ownership who had challenges with their credit. And I thank you for your time today, Jeff. And hopefully we could get all this information out and help a lot of people who are having issues or difficulty during this difficult time. So
Absolutely,
anyway, thank you for your time. Until next time, thank you, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.